Okay, today's little video, it's only a short one, is I've been asked how to keep my diesel heater in pretty good working condition. I've had it a couple of years now, maybe a bit more, I don't know. So what I'm going to do is my remote control from down the house. So I'm going to walk, well, this is not important, from down here I'm going to fire it up to the garage, which is all the way up there. Hopefully I've left it switched on. Hold it just for a couple of seconds, and then we'll pop up in a minute and see if she's fired up. And then what I'm going to do... Okay, so it did work from the house. I got up here, but someone's been fiddling. Can you see that? It's a bit... Here we go. Also, they've changed, they've been changed the buttons from... it was from Hertz. No, it was on temperature when I set it, which means you can read 35, 25, 35, whatever temperature, centigrade, I think it's Fahrenheit. And they changed it to Hertz, so they've been fiddling. So the way to change it back is the two top buttons up here. See them? So if you watch that now, okay, that's in Hertz. It's just the amount of power that's going through. So if you press them again, now back to center. Now we're going to fire it up. So just hopefully, right, they haven't cocked anything up. And what I want to do is take this up to full power now, and I'm going to do some training. If it's not a mess in here, so I've got the bike. Okay, I'm going to do some training for at least an hour, and I'm going to leave this burning at full pelt for an hour, so it'll clean out the combustion chamber, which is inside. I think you've seen inside. This is one I made out of a toolbox. I did have a comment saying, why did you do it? Because I wanted to. Because I wanted to have a go. He said you could have bought it a lot cheaper, yeah, but this is like just a challenge, and it's aluminium checker plate, and I enjoyed it, and I made all the base, and I had the tank holder and everything, which you can buy on off eBay, and I might decide to buy another one, yeah. But yeah, I enjoyed just doing it, you know, the controller, and put there's a transformer in there. So let's get this up to speed with a bit of luck. Goes through the wall at the back there. I think I've shown you this before. Exhaust. So just wait for the pump to kick in. That's better. There we go, pumps in. And hopefully I've preset it to full power. I've done it before. When you turn it down, you can set it so it reaches full power, and then when it gets up there, it'll slow down to whatever temperature you want it to run at. But at the moment, I've got it. I should be on full. 35. 35 is full. So to adjust the temperature, just press that one down. 34, 33, 30. But I'm going to go 35 because one, it's cold up here. I want to stay warm. There we go. No smell because the exhaust going through the wall. I do need to put some compound. It's difficult to get down there, but I will do. I'll get a small child. There's the exhaust, see? Alright. Okay, so that's just a very quick video on changing your temperature from Hertz to Fahrenheit or whatever it was. What was that? Let's have a look. Well, centigrade. Doesn't really matter. So that's one way of doing it. So the two top buttons will poll between Hertz, because a lot of people are asking that question, and take it up to full power to burn out the combustion chamber, keep it clean, keep it tidy, and it should last you a long time. This is my second or third year, I think, and I've not touched it. So take care. If you enjoyed the vid, please give it some thumbs up, just a very quick one, and all the best. Bye. For full power. Ooh, one more to go. Starting to get nice and warm, not quite at the moment, it needs to be left a bit. Top temperature. One more digit to go. There we go. Okay, so at least an hour. Well, I am. You don't have to. 20 minutes to do it. Okay, I just want to show you a couple of things, a couple of hacks actually. See the black pipe? That's my inlet.
and then the little one is my fuel, and then the exhaust. Look at the colour of it. That's how hot it gets, extremely hot. My exhaust is going through the wall, which was got to be sealed, but it's out the other side, so I'm not bothered. There's no fumes getting here. The other thing is, I've seen them on a motorhome. See that? If you can see that plate. Please use that plate. That square I've cut out is like the plate comes pre-drilled. So all you got to do is make sure that you cut just the diameter of that plate, or just inside. Someone put one through a motorhome floor and it started to smoke. Just because it's aesthetically pleasing, don't leave that plate out and take away all the wood. That exhaust does not go anywhere near wood, okay? You have to use that plate. So I'm on the floor at the moment, so it's probably a bit mumbled. So please do not just put that pipe through a wooden floor and think it's fine. You will have a fire, okay? So do not do that, and make sure that you just don't leave your exhaust lying about. Make sure it's sealed when it goes through a wall or anywhere, and it's got to go on the outside. All right, that's a hack. All right, but it's actually a bloody safety tip. Yeah. Okay, I've been training half an hour. I'm too hot now. I'm going to turn it off. So the idea of this video was how to clean the chamber and a couple of hacks and safety tips. So please be careful. To shut down now, just hold the power button in because I'm sweating, and you'll hear the fan motor start to die. It should just self-cool down and shut down totally, all independent. You haven't got to do any more. And that is extremely hot. And there we go. So a burn test, well, not a burn test, a way of cleaning your burn chamber to keep it in good nick and clean, and a couple of safety tips as well. All right, take care, and we'll catch you in the next video. All the best.